All right, students, in conclusion, I have a little presentation just to review the steps of the Big Six research model. Remember, students, the Big Six research model is a process that's used for information problem solving. Sometimes these steps even come naturally to us and we don't realize it. Doing a research project can often feel scary and overwhelming at first, but remember, this process will help you be successful in your research task. The first step in the Big Six model is task definition. And in this step, this is where you define your problem and identify the information needed. You may ask yourself questions like, what does my teacher expect me to do? Do I understand what I am supposed to do? And what do I need to know about the topic? Step two is the information seeking strategies. And in this step, you will identify all your resources that you could use to answer your question or solve your problem, and you will select the best resources. You may ask questions to yourself like, where can I start to look for information? Or who can I talk to get more information? And what are the best sources to use? Step three of the Big Six is the location and access step. And at this point, the researcher will actually go locate the sources that were found in step two, and they will begin to find related information within these sources. You may ask yourself, where can I find these sources? Or how do I search to get to them? Remember, I'm always here to help, especially in this step. Step four of the Big Six is the use of information. And in this step, you begin to decide which parts of the information you actually want to use and what information you may need to leave out. Sometimes you'll gather a lot more information than what you may actually need. And so you will decide what is the most necessary information. You may ask yourself questions like, how do I write notes on this information? Is the information reliable? Remember, use those reliable sources and make sure that your information is valid. Step five of the Big Six is the synthesis step. This is the step where you will actually begin to organize the information that you have collected, and you will start to make this information your own by writing your paper. The actual research paper begins to develop. This stage is where you will take everything you have found and begin to put it however you want in your paper. You may ask yourself questions as, how do I fit this information together? How do I write an outline? How do I present the information? Or did I remember to make notes of all the sources for my bibliography? Remember, don't forget your bibliography. The final step to the Big Six process is the evaluation. And in this step, you will judge the product and judge the process that you used. You will ask yourself such things as, did I solve the problem? Did I write the project in a way that can be understood? Would I do anything different next time? What did I learn? And am I pleased with my project? The Big Six model is very useful to you, but you need to remember that this model will help you successfully gather and organize information to answer a question or a problem. Be sure to use your handout that I gave you to help guide you through the process and also to help find more resources about the Big Six model if you need. And don't forget that I am here to help you. Good luck and have fun.